Hi, Mithu baby. Where are you? What are you doing, Mithu? Mithu? What are you doing? Oh. Hmm. Mithu? What are you doing here? Hmm? Do you want tissue? Clean your nose. No? Sprouting onion. Wow. Dry garlic branches. Mithu? Mithu baby? Hello? Hello? Say something, Mithu. Ooh. Mithu? Say something. Mithu? Drink water. Give her some water. Oh, give it. No. Whenever she saw water, she tried to run away. Run away, eh? Mithu? Tries to run away. Oh, if someone wants to make her English good, do watch a video. There is a correction of your sentences. Mithu? Mithu baby? Me Mithu? Me Mithu? Me Mithu? Me Mithu? Mithu? You want to fly away? Say bye to everyone. Okay, now we are giving him a tub of water. There he take a bath. She will take a bath. Okay? Okay, Mithu?